India Zulu, line up.
Lining up here in Zulu.
Uniform Delta, if they don't go too wide on downwind, there's traffic from Brighton that'll follow you.
Yes, I'll just go down.
Thanks. Sierra India Zulu, clear to take off.
Clear to take off here in Zulu.
Moorabbin Tower, Echo Papa Bravo, runway 17 right, ready, airplane departure to Canary, Fort Sergeant.
Echo Papa Bravo, line up.
Line up, Echo Papa Bravo.
Echo Papa Bravo, proceeding Cessna departs to the north, clear to take off.
Take off, Echo Papa Bravo.
Oscar, reporting 3 miles.
Julian Oscar, following a swing turning on the short final.
Julian Oscar.
Uniform Delta, clear to land.
Clear to land, uniform Delta. Full up power, order, inform my Bravo eastbound or RNAV 35 approach, passing 2000, bridging Quebec.
Uniform Mike Bravo, Tower A, report in-flight conditions.
Jill, uniform my Bravo.
Uniform Mike Bravo, roger, break off the approach, join downwind, runway 17 right.
Join downwind 17 right, uniform Mike Bravo. Helicopter Juliet Bravo Quebec is ready Golf 1 for the city.
To Bravo Quebec, Golf 1, report airborne, make right turn.
Report airborne right turn, Juliet Bravo Quebec. Bravo Quebec, Tower 1500, inbound wind Quebec.
Delta Whiskey Tower, join downwind, runway 17 right.
Join downwind, runway 17 right, Delta Whiskey. Juliet Bravo Quebec is airborne.
To Bravo Quebec. Juliet India Oscar, clear to land.
Golf 2, 17 right, crossing departure.
3-2 together, Juliet India Oscar, clear to land.
Clear to land, Juliet India Oscar.
Fox Mike X-ray, hold position.
Opposition, Foxtrot Mike X-ray.
Foxtrot Mike X-ray, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, Foxtrot Mike X-ray. So Mike Bravo join downwind 1%.
Uniform Mike Bravo, number 1.
Oh my God. I'm staying away from the cloud. I'm going to the little pocket over here. We're good. So as soon as we're at the 3 mile mark, we're going to drop down to 1,500. So we have to go to 2,000 feet to get out of this.
Straight truck, Cessna 150, they're just over 3 miles to the south, joining downwind of 1,000 feet. Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, copy, Foxtrot Mike is fine. Planes coming into Moorabbin, they're going to be 1,500. So we've got to go out over 2,000 feet to go over the top of them. Now once we're just a little bit further, we can now go down to 1,500.
Mike X-ray, that's Cessna should be coming up to you 2 o'clock shortly.
Okay, talk to Mike X-ray.
That's a risky follow, Cherokee late downwind.
Trust me, talk to Mike X-ray.
Copy Mike X-ray. Sierra India Zulu, you still on frequency?
Copy that, Sierra India Zulu.
Yeah, just some traffic there, trucking west, it's about your 130, 1,600 feet, sections unknown.
Copy that, Sierra India Zulu. Right. Got traffic at 1,600. Coming from my right. They can't hear a thing you're saying. Got to talk into the mic, so put the mic right against your lips. Move.
Inform my front back, please play.
I still can't hear. Don't move the mic away from your lips and yell. Oh, you can see airplanes? Right?
One plane on that side.
Oh, I heard you. Alright. What did you say, 6 o'clock or 1 o'clock?
Or 2,000.
I've got a plane going out. Right.
Seagull Golf. Time check 0156.5. Essendon Terminal Information Golf. Runway 26 for arrivals. Runway 17 for departures. Wind 190 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility greater than 10 kilometers. Cloud broken 3,400 feet. Temperature 16. QNH 1023. On first contact with Essendon, ground, tower or Melbourne approach, notify receipt of Golf. Time check 0157. Essendon Terminal Information Golf. Runway 26 for arrivals. Runway 17 for departures. Wind 190 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility greater than 10 kilometers. Cloud broken 3,400 feet. Temperature.
Mike Charlie India Charlie off to request back.
Charlie India Charlie off to hold position.
Tower, Oscar India Tango, Williamstown at 1,500, correction 700, just request your right hand to Gilbert, copy Belmar, transmission about Oxford traffic.
India Tango, clearance not available, safety alert traffic, opposite direction traffic south of Altona on a 1200 code, intentions not known.
Fox, okay.
Yeah, this is Australia Yankee. We're heading back towards Corporate Racecourse. Just wondering if city orbit might be available in a few minutes' time.
It's probably about 4 or 5 minutes time.
Australia Yankee, thank you. Alpha Papa Delta Victor inbound. Details.
Delta Victor, say detail.
Papa Delta Victor, approximately 1 mile east of Westgate, request clearance to tower pad, receive golf.
Delta Victor, squawk amended code 0005.
Squawking 0005.
Safety alert traffic, there's at least 6 aircraft in the station, pier, Williamstown, Albert Park, all on estimate codes. I can't give directed traffic information. Safety alert traffic.